Module 9, Lesson 3, the SimpleGrowth handoff. Marketing's job ends at a specific moment. A subscriber has shown enough intent to deserve a salesperson's time. The handoff is that moment, made explicit and automatic. Simple Marketing hands qualified leads to SimpleGrowth, its sibling CRM, through a signed webhook. Qualification is behavior plus fit. Behavior: opened recent campaigns, clicked, submitted a form, the engagement trail you've been building all course. Fit: the profile matches who you sell to. Lead scoring rolls that into a number, and crossing the threshold is what fires the handoff. When a lead qualifies, Simple Marketing posts the lead to SimpleGrowth. Contact identity, the score, and the source trail of what they engaged with. The payload is signed, the same webhook discipline from Module 8, so the receiving end can trust what arrives. On the SimpleGrowth side, the lead lands in the pipeline with its marketing history attached. One philosophy beat: marketing and sales are different motions with different owners, which is why they're different products with a deliberate seam instead of one blurry suite. The handoff is that seam. Marketing optimizes everything before it. Sales owns everything after. When the number of handoffs per month becomes your North Star metric, both teams finally share a scoreboard. The campaign and subscriber surfaces show the qualification trail, and the audit log records each handoff event with its timestamp and payload summary, so you can trace any lead's journey across the product line end to end. Module 9 done. Your list migrated in, research feeding the market view, and qualified leads flowing out to sales. Next module, compliance. The consent ledger, audit exports, and the workspace audit log, the module your lawyer will love. See you there.